Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Supernatural Lacquer all of a sudden and Maniology M151. I started with Anchor and Hearts Iron Anchor as my base coat. And this is Supernatural Lacquer all of the sudden. A polish pickup. Polish. I love this funky green with those gorgeous flakies. These may be some of the most beautiful flakies I've ever seen. I would catch them in sunlights, and I promise they look like they were glowing. They were so gorgeous. Ugh. So I am going in with my first coat, and it's a little sheer. Not terrible or anything. And here we go with our second coat. So unusual. That's the best description. Very unusual polish. There we go with our second coat. And hi, Woody. How you doing? So we're going to break out and do another third coat. And y'all know I normally don't do this, but for some polishes I will. And this is one of them. So there we go. Gorgeous. I am going to top it with Poshe top coat. I ended up wearing this for a day so that I could just enjoy it all on its own. I wanted to be able to see all those flakies. Purple and blue. Ugh. So pretty. And here we go with our swatch photo of All of a Sudden on its own. I'll be using Maniology M151. This is one of their new Harry Potter / Halloween plates. I'll try to remember to leave a link down below. And if you go shopping over at Maniology, I also have a discount code down there. I'll be using Copper Haired Girl by Hit the Bottle to stamp with today. Such a cool one. Oh, I love that polish. And I've got my Conad stamper and my scraper from Maniology out. And I just decided I would pick up, you know, a few different images off of this plate. Do different on each nail. Just to play with it and see. Ugh. So I went with Copper Haired Girl because certain angles there were like copperish looking on some of those flakies. So I decided that maybe they would work well together. And I know that they don't show up just perfect. It's not like bam in your face stamping. But I like manicures like this sometimes. It don't always have to be just so over the top in your face. So, you know, that's just my take on it. Y'all know I normally do some over the top. I'm using that piece of tape to get any excess up that I don't want on my nails. And I'm just bumping along. Trying to figure out what I want. Which ones do I want? Like all these images on this plate. I'm just so happy that I grabbed them when I did. And if I sound sinusy, it's because I am. They're still messing with all the cotton and milo and everything around us in these fields. My house is right in the middle of a bunch of fields. I mean, they're all the way around us, so we have no choice but to live through it. But I am not feeling sick. I just sound nasally. So there we go. We've got all our stamping done. And I'm going to go in and clean up this plate with some pure acetone. I like to wipe them with a paper towel. And then I'm going to go in and clean up on my nails. The few that are only one or two I needed to. With a piece of tape. Try to get up as much as I can. And then we're going to go on with the clean-out brush. And I am still enjoying the Maniology clean-out brush. It works pretty good. But I just like to tidy up. I like to do this before I top coat. That way, you know, the clean-up's done. So there we have it, all cleaned up, got a fuzzy. And now I'm going to put some smudge-free top coat over all of these and let that dry. I didn't want this to smear. I didn't think that it would, but you never know. And finally, we're going to top it all off with Poshe top coat. Seal it in, get it to dry down. And gonna cap that free edge. So I do have a swatch photo coming. Here we go now. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.